Start. While dismissing the two writ petitions on 23/4/2004, the learned single judge concluded that since the direct recruits had been recruited to grade second of the TCS prior to the promotion of the writ petitioners thereto, and that the direct recruitment had remained confined within the quota meant for being filled up by direct recruitment, the writ petitioners, on being subsequently promoted to the grade second of the TCS, cannot be granted seniority over the direct recruits, for the promotees were not even born in the cadre of the TCS on the dates when the private respondents were directly recruited to grade second of the TCS. It was the correctness of this conclusion which was challenged in writ appeal before the division bench of the High Court. The division bench by the impugned judgment has set aside the judgment of the learned single judge and allowed the appeal, and set aside the judgment of learned single judge dated 23/4/2004, as well as clarifactory order dated 25/5/2000, and the impugned gradation list dated 9/6/2000. The division bench directed the authority to prepare a fresh gradation list in respect of the grade second of the Tripura Civil Services in terms of the principles embodied in the unamended Rule 28 within bracket third of the Tripura Civil Rules 1967, and in the light of its observations, the order was restricted to the appellants and private respondents before the division bench. The division bench held that the impugned clarificatory order dated 25/5/2000 and the impugned seniority list published by order dated 9/6/2000 were contrary to the provisions of Rule 28 within bracket third of the rules. The division bench also held that the impugned order dated 25/5/2000 sought to achieve the same object which the notification dated 25/5/1981 sought to realize, and since the said notification dated 25/5/1981 has already been quashed, the question of bringing in another notification having the same effect cannot arise and cannot be legally permitted. In the year 1989, 25 promotees were recruited in TCS. 32 direct recruits by way of competitive examinations were recruited in TCS in the year 1990 against the substantive vacancies in the cadre of 1987-1988. Advertisement was issued in year 1988. The appellants herein are some of the direct recruits belonging to 1990 batch. 52 promotees were again recruited in TCS in year 1991. Private respondents number 1 to 12 are all promotees who belong to the 1991 batch. However, only these 12 respondents herein filed the writ appeal number 166 of 2004, whose judgment is impugned herein. By the impugned judgment herein, the seniority between a handful of parties in this petition has been disturbed by the High Court. It is contended by the appellants that the High Court ought to have considered the seniority between the 1989 promotees, 1991 promotees on the one hand, and 1990 direct recruits on the other hand. Many of the promotees belonging to the 1989 and 1991 batch have retired from service. However, it is alleged by the appellants that in view of the impugned judgment, now the seniority is wrongly sought to be fixed, qua the 1990 direct recruits and 1991 promotees confined to the parties in the present petition, which is erroneous. It was held by the High Court in the impugned judgment that the administrative order dated 25/5/2000 of rotation and fixation of relative seniority of direct recruits and promotees has been confined to the recruits of a calendar year. Even if in a calendar year recruitment is made from only one source or from a source in excess of the fixed quota. Hence, it was held that the administrative order dated 25/5/2000 purports to frustrate and override the very tenet of quota rules when the recruitment to the service is made against excess of quota of vacancies reserved for direct recruitment and promotions. Stop.